Salam and hello everyone. So today we're going to be making like a chicken rice bowl. So first you want to have one full garlic clove, the whole little team, and you want to crush it till it's crushed. Then you want to get a plate, and on it I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of crushed coriander, 1 teaspoon of rice seasoning, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, a quarter of a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of table salt, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. So this I'm going to be using to marinate my chicken. Oh, sorry, I forgot that. So here is my chicken. Right now it doesn't look too good, but once we cook it, it's going to look like heaven on earth. So, yes. So, yeah, so those are going to be the stuff that I'm going to be using to marinate the chicken. Yeah, it's a magically opening fridge. Totally. So, yeah. Yeah, and then in a bowl you want to squeeze half a lemon till it's parched. Does that mean thirsty? Or you just finished drinking? Yeah, and then after you marinate it, you want to leave it to the side for 1 hour. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah. So and then we are also going to get some broccoli and asparagus. You can get as much as either of you like, and you just want to stir fry it for like 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. Yeah. So let's get marinated. So yeah. So you might be wondering why I just took off my sweater. Because we're marinating. So forgot to put this in the video, but you want to put in your garlic, the seasonings, and the lemon. So, and oil. Yes, oil, lots of oil. Well, not too much, like this much oil. 2 cups. I mean tablespoons. Sorry, today my brain is not working. So I'm gonna get someone to hold up this this camera. Rise. Okay, so now we're gonna marinate. I'm gonna regret this later when I have to pause the video. Ooh, that's whoa, whoa. Ooh, chicken. Please forget about the Masha and the bear that's playing in the background. It's not part of the video. So you just want to marinate it and marinate it. So you want to marinate it till it's marinated until it can get marinated. So once it's properly marinated, you want to marinate it so that it marinates. I mean, you want to marinate this properly and goodly, and you just want to leave it to the on the side for 1 hour, like I stated previously. Please don't ask about why I was laughing. Sorry, I just gotta call someone. Osman! That's a human. I can tell you that for free. And he's here now. Come on, Osman. He's not here for some reason. I think he's chilling in the washroom. I think. Okay. So an hour has passed and the chicken is done marinating. So now while the chicken is cooking, I'm just gonna tell you how to make the rice. So this entire recipe serves like a family of like 6. Yeah. So you want to get a big bowl. You want to get 2.5 cups of rice and leave it to soak with some water for like 2 hours. Yeah, like around 2 hours. Then you want to get a big pot. You want to put some oil in it, and then you want to put all the rice in with some salt, and then you just want to leave it to cook for some time. Till it looks like it's natural and delicious. And yeah, so my mother has just said a great wise word. Pause. Okay, so yeah, you want to get a pan to make your chicken look fancy and delicious. You want to get one that has grill marks. If you don't have this, you can cook it in the oven. It's another thing that has grill marks. But I'm using a pan, so I put some oil in it. Now, since my pan is a little small, I'm going to be putting in 2 pieces at a time. No, sorry, that one was big. So, and then, whoa, see? These are my hands. I put a magical spell on it to make it look like there's another hand on it. So, whoa, that cooked fast. It didn't cook, it looked like it just cooked. Well, that's how you know not to touch hot oil. Wise words by me. So you just want to leave this until like the color is like golden, and then yeah. So chicken. Okay, so that's some hot water. So this is a pot I'm gonna be putting the rice in. So you just want to get 1 full, like that pot of boiling water. You just want to put it in there, and then here's a magical, cool-looking part. You get the rice, and you just sorry, my arm's covering it. You just wash till it's like till it's very cooked ricey. Okay, so the chicken's cooking, the rice is making, and so I took a bowl with some salt water, and I just put it on. So you don't want to put any seasoning or anything on the in the rice, because when you put like seasoning, like, you know, you just take a bite and it's all hard. So here is the chicken. So ooh, juicy flip, yummy, ooh yeah. You can't tell me you wouldn't eat that. You can't tell me you wouldn't eat that. Unless you're vegan and you have a proper answer, you can't tell me you won't eat that. So next time you see me, I'll either be making the sauce or I'll be eating this or showing how I'll make it. Okay, so you know how I said that like 2 seconds ago that I was going to either next time you see me, I would either be making the sauce, showing how I'm gonna make the food, or be eating the food. Yeah, I'm making the sauce. So here's the sauce. How I made it. Here's your answer. I took a lot of hot sauce, a lot of ketchup, a lot of spicy chipotle sauce, and a ton of yogurt. Plain yogurt. Plain yogurt. So I just mixed it together. There were absolutely no measurements. I just scooped them up with a spoon and threw them in there. So yeah, it kind of like it triggers my nose. I don't even know what it smells like. It smells like spicy ketchup, mustard, relish.
Smells like
Yeah, it smells like a spicy ketchup mustard relish.
spicy ketchup with mayonnaise.
So now the next time you see me, we will be showing how I'm gonna make it.
Shut up!
Okay, so now I'm gonna be making and eating the pie. So I like a good surprise. So my mom's just gonna prepare this for me, cause so this is the meat and the steamed vegetables. This is those over there with some red onion, coriander, and my brain and yellow bell pepper. Yeah, so rice right here. This is rice. So now my mother is gonna make it, cause I have no idea how she's gonna do this. So I'll just show you what she's doing. So she's putting in the rice, putting in the rice, rice, putting in the rice, putting in the rice, rice, putting in the rice. Now she's going to get the chicken, and she's gonna chop it up. So I'm not lazy. I would do this myself, but like I swear, but she doesn't want to do it herself. Well, she doesn't want to. I asked her to. Whoa, that's so cool. She put it on without it breaking. Spaghetti. Spaghetti. Broccoli. I'm just not gonna look anymore. I'm gonna guess she's putting in the red onions right now. Probably the bell pepper now. Oh, she's saying the sauce now. I can hear it. I think you guys can see, but I can hear it. It's like right. Oh. So 1 second, I gotta leave out the cereal. Move this out. Now that that's done, I put a lot of sriracha sauce in the chicken. So sorry, I don't think you guys can enjoy watching me eat. Because of the the cats playing in the background. And me. It's spicy. Yeah, I put way too much soy sauce. Okay, moving on. Broccoli. Trying to get the sauce off this. So
Mấy bọc nào không?
I wouldn't eat it.
Ok, mấy bọc nào? Spicy sao?
You know, I'm gonna say this was delicious. So, punch the like button, slap the subscribe button, and good night.